guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanita and I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys one of the greatest property in Goa. Here we are at Wilderness Resort. So Wilderness Resort is like a jungle resort and this place is so beautiful. The right time to come here would be in August. The view from this place is just amazing. As you guys can see, I am just surrounded by nature. This is in the middle of literally nowhere and the way to reach the resort was so cool. The experience was so cool. We came by a cable car. That's from where we came. You can't even see. You definitely can't see anything because it's raining, but I think they're gonna go down and get another bunch of people up. So you park the car at the parking and then they escort you to the main resort. We reached quite late. We reached around at 2 o'clock and they serve lunch from 1 to 3. So we knew that we had to grab some lunch first before we, settle down in our rooms. So that's what we did. And when we reached the parking lot, it was raining so heavily. So we decided to still not change and go for lunch first because otherwise we would have skipped the lunch, and these guys are very punctual with their times. Guys, we are now going to grab some lunch because they serve lunch from 1 to 3 and it's crazy. Ever since we reached here, it's been raining and we are like drenched in rains, but the problem is we thought we'll finish having lunch first and then we'll change because you can't really get out of the room, that's for sure. So yeah, we just dropped our luggage in our room. We have taken the family view cottages and now we go and have food. The food was really good, like very homely, home-cooked Maharashtrian meal, and it was so delicious. And now they have this timetable where they have mentioned all the activities: food, chai, mehndi, pottery class, and tomorrow we have waterfall trek. And you have to reach to a certain spot if you want to be a part of that activity. So far we have just had lunch, we went back to our room and we were just enjoying the view. I'll show you guys the view from our room. We have booked one family cottage which has 2 separate rooms. So 4 of us are there. Okay, this is the washroom. Can barely see. And this is the next door. Such a beautiful view, guys. These chalets are really good. And one waterfall view cottage, and the cottage has the waterfall right in front of you and the view is breathtaking. We could see 3 waterfalls and most of the time it was just covered with fog and mist, but whenever it was clear, it was beautiful. And I'll show you guys the clip. You guys are not ready for it. So this is our room, Amrita, and this is the single room. The family room is that side, which I'll show you in a bit. But this is how you go, like so cool, and it is honestly very scary. And it's just our resort here, so that's basically our room. Can you guys see how cool is this? It's literally into the wilderness, not kidding at all. So I'm just gonna open the... So beautiful. Did you click more pictures? Especially at the sunset, it looks so amazing. Those are the waterfalls. the tea because we had tea in our rooms itself. They don't do room service here because the cottages are very far apart. It's basically like they added cottages in the jungle. They did not clear out the jungle. They have kept everything as it is, but they have just added cottages around the jungle, so you get the complete authentic experience. I'm going to include all the details, all the prices and everything about this place in the description or on the screen right here. I'm just going to head out to that dining area at around 8 o'clock, so we also get to see folk dance, and we'll have dinner at 8:30, and then we'll probably call it a night. And super excited for the waterfall trek tomorrow. We could see the waterfall from here, and I'm so excited to actually go there. I think it's a different waterfall because this waterfall looks very far away, and they told us that it is 45 minutes to 1 hour one-way trek. And I hope it doesn't rain because it just gets little difficult, you know. It was just raining since morning, and it just stopped raining at around 4 to 5. So it was really difficult to commute. But if you guys are coming here during monsoons, you guys have to carry umbrella, raincoat. That's a must. We just carried umbrellas, but we are still struggling. Please carry raincoats. Today we are going to waterfall, and the guide is taking us, and we start from here at 9:30.
There is one snake here.
Where?
Yeah. So this is Malabar pit viper pit. There is a two pit heat sensor 0.000 degrees Celsius. This is a venomous snake. So we got 4 big venomous snakes. So this is one here. One is a Russell viper. This Malabar pit viper. Then crate, common crate, king cobra, spectacular cobra, and coral snake.
Italy size?
Guys, check out the stream there. I think we're gonna cross the stream to reach the waterfall. So cool. It's been 40 minutes since we have been hiking. It's a little difficult hike at some parts, but 70% of it is fairly simple. Yeah. The pool. This is the pool, guys, and the view is mad. If you guys can see, the view from here is so amazing. Hi guys, we're just checking out now. It is currently 12:30 and it was a wonderful stay. One last time for the view. So this is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Stay tuned for all the Goa videos and updates. Please subscribe to my channel if you love Goa, and I love exploring Goa, so I'm gonna get you lots of contents. So subscribe and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.